Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to invert the color of an image on Windows 11 or Windows 10 without using any third-party software. You can easily invert image colors using the built-in Paint app that comes with Windows. So let's get started. First click on the Start button, then type Paint. In the search results, click on the Paint. Once Paint app opens, click on File and then choose Air Open option. Now locate the image file you want to invert colors. Then click on the Open. After that, press Ctrl A to select the full image. After that, right click on it and select here in invert color. That's it, the image color is inverted now. If you need, you can save it, or you can save in other format by selecting File Save As option. That's all about this video. Bye.